Kase Lelia. Welcome back to another tutorial video. This time, I will show you some easy steps on how to use Schoology. First step, you go to the College of Micronesia website. And then, you hover your mouse over the quick access menu to show the list of submenu. Now, click on Schoology to open the Schoology login portal. Showing now is the Schoology login page. Now, time to log in. Type in your COM-FSM username and password. When entering username, you do not have to include the @COMFSM.FM. So, in my case, my username is John Doe, therefore I will only enter just that, without the @COMFSM.FM. Once logged in, you will be directed to a page like this. The bell where the yellow arrow is pointing gives you notification regarding your classes. A yellow circle would indicate that you have updates on your courses. Click on it to see what are the updates or go to courses where the blue arrow is pointing. If you click on courses, you will be directed to the page showing where you can see the courses you have registered. Next step, click on the box of each course to see instruction or updates. For example, we clicked on the course Fundamental of Wellness and PE. The page below came out. Folders containing instruction and course materials showed up. Click on the folders to access the contents and proceed with your tasks. And that is how easy it is to use Schoology. If you still have any issue when trying to log in, please contact your instructor, or you can also email us at techsupport@comfsm.fm.